Hi guys, welcome back to Florida Fun and Food. My name is Lauren and today we're going to use what's in my refrigerator to make some delicious crispy burritos. Let's go. Alright, we're going to get our veggies in just to get started. So I'm going in with 2 full onions, just roughly diced. 2 packages of pre-sliced mushrooms. And then, I know this looks like a ton, but it's what I had in my fridge. This is 14 jalapeno peppers that I sliced. You can go a lot easier on the jalapenos if you don't like them as much as I do. So, I'm going to just kind of give these a rough chop with my meat chopper because I don't want huge chunks of mushrooms, but I was too lazy to cut them, and this worked really well last time I did it. We should probably put a little oil in this pan too. That's kind of important. And while the veggies get to cooking, I'm going to go ahead and brown my ground beef. This is 2 1/4 pounds of ground beef. And we're going to break it up as well. I'm going to add a couple of teaspoons of salt to my veggies just to help draw out that moisture. Alright, now that my ground beef is nice and crispy brown on the bottom, I'm going to give it a nice another chop and a stir. Alright, we're going to add our ground beef to our veggies. I'm going to try to not get all of this grease, but I do want some of it. Alright, I'm going to add a couple of big tablespoons, heaping tablespoons of garlic. And some black pepper, probably about a tablespoon. I don't want to add those in to begin with because they burn easily, so add them in right at the end. Let those kind of cook for a second. I'm also going to add about a teaspoon of chili powder and a little bit of this fajita seasoning. Alright, I'm going to add about a cup of sour cream to start with, and I'll adjust as I go. And that's probably more like a cup and a half. Alright, and now we're going to go in with a big handful or 2. Let's go 2. I like cheese. Fiesta blend cheese. I'm going to go ahead and turn the heat off and just let this kind of melt. And then we'll fill our burritos. Alright, I'm just going to add some filling. It's going to be messy because of the cheese. But some filling to a tortilla. And then we're going to roll and tuck. Like that. It helps if you warm your tortillas up, so I just stuck it in the microwave for about 10 seconds. They just won't tear as easily if they're warm. Alright, final step before we eat is I'm going to put the burritos in an air fryer to give them a nice little crispy, toasty coating. And I'm going to air fry at 380, and we'll start with 4 minutes, and then we'll flip them. Alright. We're going to go ahead and flip these. And I'm going to do it for about 2 more minutes at the same temperature. Alright, here we go. Alright, these are ready to serve up. All the extra, I'm going to stick some in the freezer and some in the refrigerator for later this week. And I'm just going to eat mine with sour cream and salsa. My husband likes his plain, but that was my version of use what's in the fridge burritos. So, if you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and head over to my channel to subscribe for more content like this. And I hope to see you again very soon. Thanks, guys. Bye.